How to fix delayed WhatsApp messages. So this issue might arise due to the instability of your network. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once you are connected to a stable internet connection, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General, head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, head over to the application WhatsApp. Now what you want to do is tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on WhatsApp. So once it has been uploaded, check whether your problem has been solved or not. If not, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for WhatsApp. Move into this app. So over here you have to make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. But if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So it might also help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix delayed WhatsApp messages. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.